baby. Good, how are you? When did you get here? Still can back up and get it in shape. Anyone please back up? Oh, all right.
Well, hello, witches, wizards, and muggles. Welcome to Ollivanders. Your wand fitting experience will begin momentarily. In the meantime, please silence your muggle devices, also known as your cell phones. No flash photography or limo charms. However, you are still more than welcome to take pictures and videos while you're inside the wand shop. The flash is just very distracting to our wand keepers, all right? You may talk amongst yourselves while we wait for the wand keeper. Or you can talk to me. Yay! Hello, how are you?
Magical reason.
I'm good. Surviving.
Fair.
It's just really cold outside.
Freezing.
It's freezing. We do apologize for our eternal winter. Yes, it's fine. Oh, you have a mouse on your shirt. Oh, yes.
and Mr.
Oh, you have the, are they called the wingless dragon?
Dragon, no?
Right?
That's a dragon.
It's
yes.
a dragon, right?
No, it's a dinosaur.
Oh, yes.
There we go.
So that's the muggle term, I'm assuming. Oh, look, it's her birthday.
Happy birthday, my witch.
How old are you today?
10.
10? One more year left to your letter. Ooh, exciting. Anyone here a witch or a wizard? Maybe a wand? Anyone has a wand? No? You plan on getting one today? Is that okay? Yes? Maybe. You're like, oh, whatever, choose me. I'll go with the flow.
It's much easier to do magic with a wand than without.
Yes, I agree. Well, the wand keeper's actually ready for you all, so without further ado.
Hello, everyone. The wand keeper's been expecting you. If you'll follow me inside and please stay with your groups. Wait, this way.
Welcome to Ollivanders, makers of fine wands since 382 BC. I am the wand keeper, and you are very welcome here. However, I must ask for your complete cooperation and silence during this complicated process, wherein the wand chooses the wizard. You two, do you know each other? How do you know each other?
We are brothers.
Siblings? Brother and sister? Yes,
but
yes.
not siblings.
Yes. I'm sensing a very connected magic between the two of them. Yes? Yeah. Now, do they need your help to translate?
Yes.
Yes? Very good. Please, step forward. Let us have, let's see, what is your name? Leonardo. And? Jimena. And Leonardo. And your name? May you stand over there. There we are. No, Leonardo, you stand there. Now, Leonardo, Jimena, I want to know which arm you consider your wand arm, the one you do magic with. Which arm do they do magic with? Here, let us take a test. Here. Wand arm. Oh, two. You're wand-dexterous. Let me see. Oh, okay, that one is more dominant. Very good. This is fine. We'll find yours. Yes. Now, put them right up here. Let me see them. No, just one. This one and this one. Those will win. Now, you all may very well know that every Ollivander wand has a core of a very powerful magical substance. We use unicorn hairs, phoenix tail feathers, and the heartstrings of dragons. No two Ollivander wands are the same. Just as no two unicorns, dragons, or phoenixes are quite the same. And that is why you will never get such good results using another wizard's wand. Now, Leonardo, Jimena, I have here two wands that I believe may be looking for them. Yes? Let us start first with Jimena. Now, for you, I'm sensing perhaps this lovely wand of birch. 15 inches long, Ooh, flexible and swishy. You see that? Yes. And with a dragon heartstring core. What say we try a bit of magic? Yes? Now, oh yes, you see this ladder? I want her to make that ladder move toward me about 5 inches. Yes? So you'll give your wand a swish and a flick and say, Accio ladder.
Accio ladder.
Yes. Well, that's a wrong. But we say it, awesome. Well, a lot of magic coming from you, him, and I. But evidently, that is. How do you say that is not your wand?
It's not my bad.
Yeah, what she said. What she said. Yeah. Then hold on to it. Let us move on to your brother.
I'm
Yeah.
sure it's at these.
No worries. No, I shall help you through this. Yes. Now this is a lovely wand of holly. Yes. Let's see here. 15 inches long. Really rather supple. Yes. Now, let us see if we can have you do something a bit different. Do you see the wand boxes up there? I want him to straighten up that shelf. It's rather messy. So he'll give his wand a swish and a flick and say Escurgio.
Escurgio.
No, it's quite all right. I shall fix it. Reparo. That is not your wand either. Curious. Now, let's see. Yours, did I do let me see. Yours was a dragon heartstring core, yes. And, oh, I didn't even read his, did I? Let's see. Oh, it is a dragon heartstring core. From the same dragon. Do you know what that means?
You know what?
That means that these wands, you know what? Here, hold your wands up. Hold them up. Let's see if you had each other's wands. You see, these wands have a dragon heartstring core from the same dragon. It means they are brother wands. They are meant to work together, just as the two of them as siblings are meant to work together. Now, Leonardo, your wand is drawn to those who are very loving and creative. Yes, that's why this wand likes him. Yes. And let me see, yours is a wand of holly, drawn to those who love animals and travel. Yes. And with the dragon heartstring core, that tells me your fierce loyalty to one another as siblings will be much admired by all. Yes. Now, I'm going to give these wands to my associate, who will take you next door, and they can answer any questions about your new friends here. Now, children, please remember, can you translate for me? The wand learns from the wizard. You do not know. Well, the wand learns from the wizard, and the wizard from the wand. So as they grow up, the wand will grow with them. Does that make sense? You shall explain later. Never worry. Never worry. I'll wait right here. I shall be with you in a moment. And you can join them, sir. Yes? Thank you all for joining us for this wand fitting. Now please step through that door to the next room where I'm sure your wand is just waiting to choose you. And thank you all for choosing Ollivanders. Off you go. And please remember, never store your wand in your back pocket. Elementary wand safety. Now, it was a pleasure to have met you. Where are you from? Oh, you may leave. Where? Oh, yes. Wait out, yes. Oh, it was a pleasure to have met you. I must say goodbye at this time. Yes, but I'm confident we should be together. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to the wand shop.